Hi, this is Mike McDowell, Sales Engineer with Ternary. I'm going to take a moment to describe to you how our Managed Service Provider feature for billing rules works. These are rules that allow a managed service provider to make adjustments to the original billing data coming from the cloud service providers before it gets to their end customers. So an example might be I have a specific negotiated rate that I want to allow my customers to take advantage of, and I can apply that within Ternary. So here's a situation where I might want to take my compute charges specifically, and in this case, I'm going to adjust them to 15% off of list. Now I want to talk about a couple of things that are going on here. First off, they are date bounded. So you might have a contractual year that this applies to, and then maybe next year the contractual amounts will change. So you can bound the rule by date. And the adjustments you can make to the individual line items are these. You can remove all discounts and credits and adjust a list. You can take a line item directly out of the bill, not show it to the customer. You can apply a margin on top of what's in the original bill by uplifting it a certain amount. You can also re-rate it to an arbitrary amount above or below where it's showing up in the bill. These are filterable, so I'm not doing it to everything. In this case, I'm specifically doing it to the compute charges, but you can see how you might have different rules for different services. And the scope of where that rule goes, the tenants to which it apply could be all tenants with a simple button here, or it could be a subset of your customers, and you can just add them in individually here. So maybe there's a handful of customers that all are on the same plan. You can build them as a group and then have one set of rules apply to all of them. Thanks so much for your time.